Here's a 2018 Audi SQ5. Imbued and shaped by power, this SQ5 gives you an SUV that's truly a sports utility vehicle. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love. Automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, engine auto stop-start feature, hands-free liftgate, integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the glove box, dual zone climate control, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, front heated sport seats, memory exterior door mirror settings, and intercooled turbo V6 engine. AutoWeek finds the SQ5 is kind of a sleeper. The S moniker and big wheels are the only things that give it away as a speedster. Of course, after judicious application of the throttle, everyone will know. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.